Jay, you know, you look like you're up to something though. Look
Me.
like you're up to something, Jay.
Me up to something. Me not up to nothing. If me they are up to something what I probably want to put my hand around you, or what I probably want to touch your legs or what, but I'm not doing any of those things. So me not up to nothing. Me just genuinely I'm here out of concern and care. You know, so yeah. And furthermore you're a nice lady, you know, you're very attractive. So me there's nothing wrong if me come to and even have a conversation. Yeah. And you seem pretty interesting, you know. And I really would want to get to know you more.
Don't get this thing overboard, Jay.
Nah, nothing like that. Wouldn't get it overboard. It's just naturally as a man, you know, you have to just speak up for what you want, you know. Because if you don't go after what you want, either you don't know if you ever will even get it.
True.
Yep. Yeah, man.